Hello everyone and welcome back to a new review on this channel. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about this amazing Hask Argan Oil Repair and Hair Oil. This is to strengthen and restore your hair structure and everything that comes with your hair. So you can actually use this oil after every time you wash your hair. You can put it in your wet hair to just strengthen your hair, or this is also for daily use. You can use it every day on dry hair too, to keep the frizz in check that you have in your hair. A lot of people have a lot of frizzy hair, and this oil really helps it to make it better. So as you can see, the bottle is really small compared to my fingers, but it's a very long lasting oil because you really only need a little bit to put in your hair. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I use it and how much I use it, and I'm going to tell you what it does to my hair. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have so much frizz in my hair no more since I am really using this quite often. I use this almost every day and it is still all the way to here, even though I have it for a while already. And I'm going to show you that I really only use a little bit of oil for my hair. And I'm actually pregnant at the moment, so I'm losing a lot of hair, and I'm going to lose it after the pregnancy. So I'm trying to strengthen my hair. Then I'm rubbing it in my hands and I'm just going through the hair. And you have to find out what works for your hair because every hair structure is different. Maybe you have curly hair, maybe you got thicker or thinner hair than me. Maybe you need to use more or less of this oil, and it shouldn't make your hair look oily or wet or something. And yeah, I'm just using this in my complete hair, and then I'm going to brush it a bit, and that's it. That's my daily routine with this amazing oil for my hair. And as you can see, it does not make it look oily or something. It just makes it look super soft and makes it feel super soft. It also has a super good fruity smell. I just love this oil, and I would definitely always buy it again. Okay, that's it. No frizz, and you will feel a difference if you stop using it in your hair. It is definitely going to come back frizzy. So yeah, hope you liked the video, and I highly recommend you buying this super good hair oil. Thank you for watching.